So here we are, Vagrant is up and ready. So uh, while spinning up the environment, it will install some automatic dependencies like what are the basic packages need to be updated. It will get update when you enter Vagrant up. So yeah, to access this Vagrant instance, you can use Vagrant sh command. So it will be available here. So I will be using the same command here, vagrant ssh. Yeah, now you are able to access the vagrant and it's like a Linux VM. So if you do cat etc OS release version, so it is Rocky Linux 9, and you can see here bash profiles which are configured here, and you can install anything like Nginx. So, okay, to install anything, you have to use it as sudo. So you can use sudo here. By default, Vagrant comes up with sudo privileges. And if you want to install anything Python, you can install Python here. So sudo dnf install python 12, and yes, and you can install. And you can run any Python code if you want. So for example, I have one fast API project. Okay, I think it's so you can download this package. So for this you need Git. You can install Git, and now you can clone the image. And after cloning the image, let's go to this project and git branches hyphen out to check the remote branches, and my stable project is available in release version 19. So let's start with 19. And so to install to start any my project, you need to install some requirements file. So I have updated in the requirements dot txt. Okay, I think pip is not installed, so we'll using ensure pip. We can install the pip module and we can install the Python packages required for my project. And to start the project, so I have added the script already, so we can do start.sh. And to start, or I will start it from here, command line. And so it will start in background, and if you do curl -c localhost 8000, yeah, my application is up. If you see in the docs, it is accessible. And Let's see if it's available here. I think from curl command it is not access or it's allowing, but I think application is running fine here. And you can practice anything in this Vagrant instance. You can write a project and you can test your project. And if you don't want the instance to be running, you can shut down the environment without destroying it. So using vagrant halt command, you can shut down the instance. So there's a vagrant halt command to shut down the instance. So it has shut down the instance. You can bring it up again anytime whenever you want. So you can bring it up again back using vagrant up. Yeah, now it's up. And so for example, you have installed some Nginx kind of process. It is not restarting, and you just enable for auto startup. And okay, I think since it required root, so I will use sudo here since Vagrant has sudo privilege and start. So or let's say it's in stop status and you wanted it to start automatically whenever the system is up. Maybe for that we can uh, restart the instance. To restart the instance you can use vagrant reload, that will restart the instance. Yeah, so it has come up and we'll do vagrant sh. And if you do sudo systemctl status nginx, so if you have changes anything and you wanted to reboot Vagrant, so you can use Vagrant reload. That is a command to restart the instance. So now your Vagrant instance is up after reload, and could see Nginx changes are reflected. So it auto start up after boot. So if you don't want the instance and you want to no more you don't want to utilize this instance anymore, then you can destroy the instance using vagrant destroy. Normally it's you can halt or shut down the vagrant instance, or you can directly destroy the instance. So you can do destroy -f. So basically it will first shut down the instance and then it will start removing the instance. So that's it about the vagrant commands. So these are the normal commands used to control the instance or to create an instance or to destroy the instance. We'll learn furthermore in future videos. Yeah, thank you.